Number 4, wrong money mindset is many people belong to a community of spenders who do not believe in preparing for their future. So, kailangan talaga is pipiliin natin yung sasalihan po nating community. Kung yung nasalihan mong community is palagastos, ikaw na hindi naman mahilig, is mapapagastos ka na rin. Kung yung palamarites naman yung mga nasalihan mo, well, expect mo na rin, kahit hindi ka palamarites before, maa-adapt mo na rin yung, ano ng mga nakakasama mo. Yan nga is kakatapos lang ng 12-12, nakailang add to cart po ba tayo? Guilty po ba tayo dyan? Kamusta naman po yung bonus na natanggap po natin? So, kailangan talaga is pipiliin natin kung yung community na nasalihan mo is nag-iipon, nag-i-invest. So, ikaw din na hindi pa nag-iipon at nag-i-invest is ma-a-adapt mo yung kanilang mga habit.